Hey guys, welcome back to Real Auto Solutions. Just going to do a real quick one here. This one is a 2023 Hyundai Tucson. Just going to show you how to reset the service interval. It's very similar to the Kia models as well. So essentially, in our infotainment screen, we just want to bring this up. We go into our settings, and then into vehicle, and then into convenience. And then we've got our service interval here, and you just want to dial in your distance. 1,000. What is it? That's 1,000. 10,000 kilometers. That looks odd like that. All right, and then if you want to change your days as well, you can just dial in 6 months. And essentially that's done. We just press our home button. The service interval is now reset. Please consider liking and subscribing to the channel, and catch you at the next one.